Thank you, everybody. Let's get it started. We have big day today, and it is such a beautiful day which we are going to start. I wait for this day entire month, and I can just tell you, every month from last more than 2.5 years now, we have been doing a testimony night. What is this evening and what is this night about? Let me tell you, take this as a sacred alignment. Every person who steps into this room will not leave without a blessing, without a guidance, and without something you will notice as a signal coming into your life. Today, there are angels who are coming here, who will be sharing their heart out, who will be sharing what exactly they went through the challenge and how exactly a frequency therapy through healing is going to help, has helped them in their life. It's not very easy. It's not very easy to come and share the challenge and the weakness of them in front of so many people, but they are doing it. Kudos to these people, and I'm so grateful to each and every one who are coming here. They are the true angels. All of you guys here, I can only tell you, the session might go around 1 hour or little more than that. Be there. This is a sacred space. Receive it. Sometimes people come back and ask, uh, is healing working? Is my manifestation working? Is I'm not getting the result? But let me tell you, there are two signals which literally Supreme will show you that it is working for you. When it is so, when you will stop asking whether it's working, you will start feeling the connect that anything in your hand has come in with a purpose. Today, all of you guys here, there is a purpose to which you are attending this testimony night. Receive it. I can only tell you, today either you will get a signal from all these angels who are going to share to you their story. Pick it up. There is a message for you, and that message will be recognized by the person who is divinely connected. When we start flowing in trust, the magic unfolds. So we are going to start. The people who are going, the angels who are here today, who are going to share, please raise your virtual hand so that it becomes easy to spot you. There are more than 200 people out here, and it will not be easy to spot you out there. We will go with the sequence, but anybody who has little emergency or urgency to leave, we will consider them. I've already got a request from Nagmani. She has a night shift and she has to leave. So if Nagmani, you are here, please raise your hand. I will have the senior director Pragya and the vice president Ashwini, Rajendra, executive director Pritpal ji. They are going to help me out. Okay, we have Dr. Priyanka Mishra going in first. Over to you from Orissa, a Reiki healer. Over to you, Dr. Priyanka. You can introduce yourself and start.
Yeah, namaste. And I hope I'm audible, Lina.
Perfect.
Yeah. A very good evening to all of you. And it's my proud privilege to be here on this platform. And firstly, I would like to introduce myself. I am Dr. Priyanka Mishra, a Reiki Grandmaster practicing Healy since last 30 years, practicing Reiki since last 30 years. And I'm into various types of healing and trying to heal people across the globe. And I am really grateful and thankful from the core of my heart to Sujata Masi, who introduced me to this healing. Then Jyoti ma'am, and obviously Leena, ever smiling, evergreen Leena. Thank you so much. And I have lots of testimony, and it's difficult to share and select just a few of them. I'm also a professor in a reputed institute for architecture and planning. And when I was introduced to Healy, I was really excited, and there was no doubt that I will buy it or not. And immediately I had decided that I am going for it because I'm able to help so many people, which I will not be able to do if I am doing healing or practicing healing alone. So this is a very, very added advantage that I have. And as soon as I started practicing, working with Healy, I really found a tremendous change. I used to feel always tired. And when I got up in the morning, I was always tired as if I didn't have any sleep. And as soon as I started healing, I think just I used for 2 days, and I realized that fatigue is almost gone. And I I started developing knee pain, and that it was very difficult for me to rise up the stairs. And within 3 or 4 days, I think that knee pain has been reduced to by 70%. So that is really tremendous, and it's improving day by day. And soon I am sure I'll be able to run across the stairs. And I also was developing some pigmentation on my feet that showed that there was some blood clots in my vessels, for which I was really scared to some extent. And within last 15 days, since I have been using around 20 days, those pigmentations have reduced by 70-80%. So that is another tremendous benefit of Healy and a miracle. And my mother, she used to have sleep issues. She couldn't sleep. She used to get up to go to the restroom every hour or 2 hours, because of which she has a very disturbed sleep, and sometimes she couldn't sleep after that. And I was giving her healing. She was not very sure that I'm giving her regularly. And since I was keeping very busy, I couldn't talk to her during that time also. And then she suddenly said, "Oh, last few days, I'm sleeping so well. I don't know what is happening." And then I told her that this is Healy actually. And that is another testimony. Even with my daughter and my sister and so many clients I'm using Healy, they are showing very beautiful results. Fatigue, that is a very important aspect, and knee pain, that is another important aspect. Even the hair fall, that has reduced. The glow on the skin, that I think, which I was losing because of lack of sleep for me also, that is gradually coming back. And about the emotional aspects, my God, that is too much to talk about. I used to, maybe because of menopausal symptoms and all, I used to get hurt very quickly, and little things used to trigger me suddenly. And when Lena had done my aura analysis, she told that impatience is one of the backflow remedy that you need. And I said, yes, I keep that in my purse always. And whenever I feel there is a trigger, I take the impatience and I feel relaxed. And since last 15 days, I have taken it out from my purse. I have not even used it for a day. So that trigger which was hurting me, which was disturbing me, once triggered any issue, even small issue, that part has completely gone from my life. And I was not ready to be happy. I thought, okay, I have so many works to do. Let me finish, then I'll be happy. So that little joy in my life I was always missing. And that I have again found. You can see the smile on my face, and that is very genuine smile, right? And that resilience has increased. Thank you so much, Lena. And I am always grateful, and I am sure this is a long journey, and we'll be experiencing a lot more. And the relationship issues, my daughter and I used to have little fights. Like, she was younger, 16-year-old teenager. So we always used to have some uh, differences in opinions. But last 10 weeks, I'm finding I'm giving healing to her also and me also. And that relationship, those frictions, those have reduced by 99%. So
Thank you, thank
that
you,
is
thank you.
amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Priyanka. It's absolutely mind blowing. The first day I met you in Bhubaneswar, Orissa, I could see that spark in your eyes. I could see that healing power in your energy. I am not surprised. I'm literally not surprised that Healy is treating you with so many good testimonies. Thank you so much for being here today. All of you guys, there is a ritual which we do in the testimony night of mine, and that is blessing the angels. You might have gone through and seen that we do seva. I do personally treat dogs on the street. I give food to them. We go to Gurudwara and serve food. That's one kind of seva. Another kind of seva is when you bless people. Every word which comes out of your mouth for others, it's truly the most internal seva which you can do. Today, everyone out here, one seva which we can do is blessing the angels. Each and every person who is going to come here, we are going to bless. Simple, bless you with abundant health, happiness, joy, wealth, whatever is coming in your mind. And the person who is listening, please receive it. So we are all 302 people here. Let's bless Dr. Priyanka Mishra, having the best life ahead with Healy. May she contribute to this world with her wisdom and knowledge, uplift people with her energy. May her abundance, joy, wealth, money in her life may 10x with Healy. Thank you so much for being part of Healy. Thank you so much. Okay, so who we have next going in?
We have Shweta.
Can we have Nagmani? She has to go for night shift. Yes, Nagmani, go for it. 1 second here.
Namaste. Namaste. Thank you for letting me in before my time. And I got introduced to Healy through T. Ravi. We all are pranic healers. I've been practicing pranic healing since 12 years or 13 years. So whenever I have any problem, I usually go to my guru. He's T. Ravi. And then I think T. Ravi is like part of Mary's group. So through her, I got connected to Leena ji. I'm very thankful that I'm blessed. Actually, I can say my family is blessed that we got introduced to Healy. My husband had brain stroke 1 year back, and he was not able to walk properly. His movements are restricted, hand movements. But after using now, since 2 months, we have been using Healy. And after using, now he started walking slowly, and his confidence levels have increased. His mental balance is increased. And then, moreover, he had always this like he was in peak of his career, and that time it was a bad episode at home. So he had like emotionally was very down. It used to be very difficult. Though I was a healer, I used to heal him, and I have like my friends, pranic healers also, they used to heal. But then after we got introduced to Healy, I started doing like Leena ji's all blessings and all guidance. Obviously, she used to tell me like what to use and how to use and when to do what. So I have followed, and then Bachelor was 4 hours I used to keep for him every night, and then I started seeing the changes in him. He doesn't make any fuss. Like now physiotherapy also, he just tells, okay, let's go to the gym, let's do it. His finger movements have not started yet, but I hope with the Healy, slowly it will come. That confidence I have. And in between, my father-in-law had one stroke. He lost his speech, and now he started getting. We have started Healy for him also. He started speaking two words. Like it's a miracle actually. And then my sister had bypass surgery. She's also recovering very well. And I think at the correct time, Healy has come to my house. That much I can say. And I'm very thankful to all of you who made me a part of this Healy group. Thank you very much, Leena ji. Thanks to the group.
Thank you, Nagmani. Thank you so much. Such beautiful testimonies. Oh my God, I have not spoken to you from such a long time. So many things came up. I'm so happy. All of you guys, let's bless Nagmani with a beautiful year ahead in future. More and more miracles coming in her life beyond imagination. Let her connect to her highest good with all her wisdom, with all her usage of Healy. She could see more of joy, more of bliss, more of good health to each and every family member, to husbands especially. Let's have the healing powers and the recovery much faster coming in with Healy. Thank you so much for being part of Healy. Shweta! 1 second, sweetheart. Yeah.
Hi guys, myself Shweta. I'm a health and wellness coach from Hyderabad. So I'm a part of Rekha and Sanjay ma'am team, and the person who introduced me to this Healy is Santosh. Okay, when he was very busy during the day he introduced, so he couldn't follow me up. So he just told me one thing: you try this out, and if you don't like it, you return it in 15 days. That's there and fixed in my mind. I didn't have any money when I was, taking the Healy, but I just took for not to upset Santosh. So I just took it, and 15 days, 14 days, I think 14 days I used it. I was like, no, I'm returning it. I did it. I applied for it. And then I got a call from Leena ma'am. So she said, you don't worry about it. Don't worry about returning. You just use it more. And she guided me very well in the first 15-20 days. Actually, after a month again, I told her I want to return it. Because for me, that 3 lakh was very high at that time. It was my savings and I don't want to spend all of it on the Healy. And the results also for me, it was very slow. Those who are getting slow results, I mean, those who are not seeing much differences also still stay on to me. Now, I made 20x to what I have invested in Healy in last 8 months. And this one, when they introduced, I just got it in a first 1 hour only. I did not ask also. I still don't know how it works, like till I got it. After that, I asked because that much trust I had on Healy. Because it worked so much. Because when I was getting the Healy, emotionally I was very down. I was in my postpartum, my hormonal changes and lot of emotional trauma I have gone through. Emotionally very down. I didn't know that my energy was very weak, but my ambitions are very high. So that energy and that low frequency didn't help me to flourish in my career, but this one changed everything. It increased my energy, it increased my vibrations. And now here I go, like I have 100+ community. Now I am serving in my health and wellness field. I'm like, I see that it's going to go thousands. That much confidence I got now. It's all because of Healy. And thank you, Leena ma'am, so much, because this community is so wonderful. Leena ma'am even took few of the sessions in Ho'oponopono and goal setting. She did a vision board session also. I did it actually. It's not even 1 year, but I achieved all of that, what I have written on my vision board. That's the power of this community, and that's the power of Healy. And just go ahead, guys, and lots of love to all of you. And thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you, Shweta. I love you so much. I still remember the first call we had, and you have been crying there that I don't want Healy. So I feel this is most of our story, and you are not unique. And initially, it just took time to have built that trust in. But thank you for staying back. Thank you for using Healy. Thank you for listening to me. I mean, imagine how many lives could be saved just because you used Healy, and today you are coming and sharing testimony.
And one more, thank you so much, Rekha ma'am, for being there. Whenever I have a doubt, whatever it is, she's always there with me. Thank you, Rekha ma'am, also so much. After Leena ma'am, she is my go-to buddy. Yeah.
Awesome. So a big shout out to all the people. I shouldn't miss it. So Sanjay ji and Rekha ma'am are the saviors. I could tell you the work what they are doing, the stories what they are creating, the testimonies which comes up literally creates goosebumps. And we have I missed out on Marie Lewis. I missed out on who was the first one. Okay, Jyoti ma'am. So thank you so much for being there and guiding. So let's have the blessing for Shweta. All of you guys here, let's bless Shweta that all the miracles in her life may 10x in her life beyond imagination. What is supposed to be for her highest good, she start recognizing it. And today, with her wisdom and knowledge of Healy, she can touch people's life more and more. May she have the utmost joy, bliss, abundance, money flowing in her life, and the healing power gets multiplied. Thank you so much for being part of Healy. मीनल जी, आपको मिस कर दिया था उस दिन. Go for it, मीनल जी. आपको सुनने काफी लोग हैं इधर.
मीनल जी, can you keep your phone horizontal या vertical है?
ऐसे रखिए, ऐसे उल्टा. हाँ. ओ आप. हाँ, वेरी गुड. करेक्ट है. अभी करेक्ट है. अब आप अनम्यूट करिए. अच्छा, somebody has to unmute.
आई थिंक प्रज्ञा जी, आप उनसे बात करके उनका प्रॉब्लम रिजोल्व कीजिए, बिकॉज वो लास्ट टाइम भी अनम्यूट नहीं कर पा रहे थे. बाय मीन टाइम विल टेक द नेक्स्ट वन.
ओके. ओके.
पूजा जी, यस, पूजा चतुर्वेदी जी.
या पूजा जी, go for it.
नमस्कार एवरीवन, सबको मेरी तरफ से बहुत बहुत नमस्कार। सारे हीली वर्ल्ड को मेरी तरफ से बहुत बहुत सारा विशेस। थैंक यू कादम्बरी फॉर ब्रिंगिंग हीली इन माय लाइफ, एंड थैंक यू प्रज्ञान जी। तो हीली के लिए बहुत सारे एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं मेरे, बहुत सारे मिरेकल्स हैं, बट उनमें से कुछ मैं शेयर करना चाहती हूँ। मेरा नाम पूजा चतुर्वेदी है और मैं ग्रेटर नोएडा में रहती हूँ और मैं टीचर हूँ एक। तो हीली मेरी लाइफ में वैसे तो बहुत टाइम पहले आ चुका है, 1 साल 1.5 साल से आ चुका है, बट उसे मैंने पर्सनली जो अभी यूज करना शुरू किया है एज ओन, वो अभी 2 महीने पहले ही मई एंड में मैंने लिया था, इन मिड ऑफ मई। तो 2-3 महीने से अभी मैं कंटिन्यूअसली इसको यूज कर रही हूँ। तो हीली के साथ जो मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है वो तो पर्सनली भी है मेरा, क्योंकि मेरा कुछ हेल्थ इश्यू बीच बीच में थोड़े पिछले साल में हो गए थे। तो उसमें मुझे हीली ने बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प किया उससे रिकवर करने में, क्योंकि एकदम विंटर में ड्राउजी हो जाना और एकदम ठंड लग जाना, उसकी वजह से फीवर एंड ऑल, वॉमिटिंग्स एंड लो मोशंस एंड ऑल, तो उसमें मुझे हीली ने बहुत हेल्प किया। और स्पेशली मेरे बेटे के लिए, क्योंकि मेरा बेटा भी थोड़ा सा हाइपर एक्टिव है और वो बहुत ज्यादा ही मतलब एनर्जेटिक है, मोर देन द नॉर्मल किड्स। उसका एनर्जी इतना हाई रहता है कि, और थोड़ा सा उसका एंगर इश्यूज भी बहुत ज्यादा थे। तो उसके लिए पर्टिकुलरली मैंने हीली को चूज किया। जैसे मुझे इन्होंने, कादम्बरी जी ने बताया कि इसके प्रोग्राम्स चलाने पे, जैसे बैच फ्लावर एक इसमें थेरेपी है, उसको चलाने से कुछ उसका एक्सट्रीम इमोशंस का इशू है कि वो एकदम इमोशनली एकदम एंगर इशू में आ जाता है, एकदम लविंग नेचर में आ जाता है, एकदम इमोशनल हो जाता है। तो बट उसके बैच थेरेपी, ये बैच फ्लावर थेरेपी चलाने से मुझे उसका बहुत ही ज्यादा उसके बिहेवियर में, उसके लर्निंग में बहुत इंप्रूवमेंट हुआ है। पहले वो लर्निंग में इतना पीछे था कि नहीं, मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ना है, मुझे मतलब कॉपी को हाथ भी नहीं लगाना है, मुझे स्कूल नहीं जाना है, तो ऐसा इरिटेटिंग रहता था। खुश रहता था बट थोड़ा लर्निंग में प्रॉब्लम था। बट अभी जैसे जैसे मैं हीली का उसके ऊपर यूज कर रही हूँ, तो उसका लर्निंग बहुत अच्छा हो गया है और अब उसका अंडरस्टैंडिंग बहुत अच्छा हुआ है और स्पीच बहुत इंप्रूव हो गया है कि अब चीजें समझने लग गया है। ही इज 5 year old नाउ। तो जब से अभी मैं उसके ऊपर धीरे धीरे, अभी पूरा बहुत टाइम तो नहीं हुआ उसके ऊपर कंटिन्यूटी में चलाते हुए, लेकिन जितना भी चलाया है उसके ऊपर बहुत अच्छा इफेक्ट हुआ है। और स्पेशली एक अभी रिसेंटली उसके साथ एक इंसिडेंट हुआ, उसको स्कूल में चोट लग गया और उसके चिन पूरा यहाँ से अंदर स्किन से बिल्कुल, चोट इतनी ज्यादा गहरी थी कि उसको स्टिचेस लगाने पड़े बहुत। तो फिर हमें इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ एक होमोथेरेपी, होम्योपैथी है इसमें एक थेरेपी, वो मैंने उसमें चलाया, क्रिएटिव होम्योपैथी। तो विद इन 3 days उसका जो वूंड था वो बिल्कुल भर गया। और जितना, वैसे तो वो खुद ही ब्रेव फील करता है कि पेन नहीं होता, बट उसके स्टिचेस जो है उसको रिकवर करने में, उसको मतलब पूरा अच्छा जो वुंड था उसको रिकवर करने में उसे बहुत हेल्प मिली। और अभी रिसेंटली कुछ ना कुछ चीजें हमारे साथ होती रहती हैं डेली लाइफ में, और मेरे हस्बैंड का एंगर इशू बहुत था। तो वो जब भी ऑफिस से आते थे थके हुए, और वही बस एक ऑफिस स्ट्रेस और ये सब कि नो आई डोंट वांट टू टॉक टू एनीबॉडी, बच्चे के साथ भी बिहेवियरल इशू थोड़े से हो गए थे। बट हीली आने के बाद उनके बिहेवियर में, उनके माइग्रेन में बहुत चेंज आया है। जो जो मुझे स्टेप्स कादम्बरी जी ने बताए थे, जो प्रोग्राम मुझे बताए उसके माइग्रेन के जो प्रोग्राम है, इसमें बैच फ्लावर उनके लिए भी मैंने यूज किया, तो उनका इमोशनल जो स्ट्रेंथ है वो काफी गेन हुआ। मेरे अपने लिए भी बहुत ज्यादा हुआ कि मेरा खुद का जो, बच्चों से पहले हमें अपने आप को जो एनर्जी वाइज ठीक करना पड़ता है, वो मैंने खुद हीली से अपने आप को थोड़ा चेंज किया, डिटॉक्स किया बॉडी। तो मुझे थोड़ा सा स्टमक इश्यूज भी थे पहले, तो वो कंटिन्यूटी में रहते थे। तो डिटॉक्स करने के बाद मेरे काफ्स में जो पेन रहता था, मेरी बॉडी जो लो एनर्जी फील करती थी, डिटॉक्स करने के बाद इसका वो प्रॉपर से हट गया सारा। तो अभी मतलब उतना एनर्जी जो है वो वापस गेन हो गया, और अभी कोई ऐसे ज्यादा सीवियर इश्यूज बॉडी में नहीं आए जब से मैंने हीली स्टार्ट किया है कंटिन्यूटी में। और बाकी मेरे साथ हीली के यूजर्स अभी बहुत हो गए हैं कि मुझे ये कुछ हो रहा है, इंट्रोड्यूस बहुत हो गया कि अरे ये तो मिरेकल है, ये कैसे कर देता है सोल लेवल पर, और ये कैसे माइंड रीड कर देता है। पर मेरे लिए तो बिल्कुल एग्जैक्ट इसका रीडिंग मैम 100% था क्योंकि मेरा स्पिरिचुअल थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्ट बहुत ज्यादा है, डिवोशनल हूँ, और इसमें बिल्कुल वही चेंज जब मुझे दिखा तो मुझे लगा कि नहीं, हीली है जो मुझे मेरे इस पाथ पर भी आगे थोड़ा क्लैरिटी देगा। और मेरे करियर वाइज तो ठीक है, सब अच्छा है, लेकिन आगे हीली में जो करियर भी बनाना है, स्पिरिचुअलिटी में जो मुझे आगे बढ़ना है, वो मुझे हीली से बहुत ज्यादा अभी हेल्प भी मिल रहा है और आगे आई होप मिलता रहेगा। और आप सबके सपोर्ट से, गाइडेंस से, कादम्बरी जी के गाइडेंस से, जो उन्होंने मुझे रेगुलरली गाइड करते रहते हैं, प्रज्ञान जी को मैं बहुत थैंक यू कहूंगी, क्योंकि एक बार में मैं बिल्कुल डाउन हो गई थी जब मुझे मेरे बेटे के लिए स्कूल के टीचर ने बोला कि मैम अभी इस पे कोई फर्क नहीं लग रहा है, आप क्या थेरेपी करवा रहे हो, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा। तो उस दिन प्रज्ञान जी से जब मैंने बात की तो उन्होंने बोला कि एक चीज उन्होंने मुझे पॉजिटिविटी वाली बोली कि पूजा मैम, आप पूजा इसे अपने माइंड से पहले निकाल दो कि ये उस पे कैसे वर्क कर रहा है, सिर्फ जस्ट बी पॉजिटिव, ग्रेटिट्यूड दिखाइए। और वो एक उस दिन का दिन है। उसके बाद से जो जो मैंने इसके अंदर सोचा, जो कोच प्रोग्राम में मैंने जो डाला, वो मैम कोच प्रोग्राम में मुझे 1 मंथ में, वो उस बातचीत के बाद ही कोच प्रोग्राम ने मुझे एक ऐसा रिजल्ट दिया जो बहुत ही मिरेकल था, बहुत बढ़िया था। वो अभी मैं डिस्कस ही करूँ, थोड़ा सा पार्ट है, तो बहुत
थैंक यू
अच्छा मुझे
पूजा।
लगा हीली का यूज करके।
थैंक यू
थैंक यू सो मच,
मच
थैंक
पूजा।
यू।
मुझे ये तो बिल्कुल समझ में आ रहा है कि आप बहुत अच्छे से हीली यूज करते हो, एंड कितने अच्छी तरह यूज किया और प्रज्ञा का बात सुना और उसको इम्प्लीमेंट किया। थैंक यू सो मच। kudos to Pragya. A big shout out to Pragya, the work she is doing. Let's bless Pooja to have a beautiful life. May she has a complete protection, a good health for the child, for the entire family. May she see her career building up with Healy, more and more healing powers to her, not just to her family, but all around who needs her help. Thank you so much for being part of Healy. Thank you. Sashi ji, go for it.
Sashi ma'am, you have to unmute yourself. We can't hear you.
Yeah.
Yes, now you can continue. Still we can't hear you, ma'am. You are on mute.
I did unmute. Can you
Yeah,
hear me now?
Yes, please go ahead.
I don't know why it's going back to mute again. So anyway, let me try now. Hello, everyone. My name is Shashi Rekha. I live in New Jersey. Well, Healy was introduced to me by Ashok sir, Ashok Dubey. I call him Ashok sir. He's a yoga guru to me. I was taking yoga classes from him, and one day he was wearing this Healy device, and then I just, after the yoga classes, I asked him with curiosity, sir, what is that you are using that instrument? Then he said, about it. He said about quantum entanglement and whatnot. And then he said, okay, I'll talk to you later. And then it kind of I was very impressed with that. And I decided, I just blindly followed him, though it was kind of quite expensive. I just invested my money and then I just got it. And first gold cycle, when I was trying, within 3 days of it, I had many not anger issues, I would call that kind of a lot of things over 30 years, of my moving out from India and living here. I know a lot of other things, marriage, in-laws, many other issues, all those emotions were like some kind of, I feel like it was somewhere deep down was like kind of um, playing a lot of on my mind. And I really decided at that point of time, I really asked the universe once, like, I really want to change myself. How much ever I was trying something, yoga or meditation or anything, but still I was visiting back to the 30 years or 15 years, 20 years, deep down memories. So then I started using this Healy within 3 days of gold cycle. I was so at peace, like not visiting back to what happened in my life. And I was really at very peace and calm. That really helped me. But I really was like, I think I'm jinxed most of the time. So Healy I was using, and suddenly I was trying to do something. I was listening to it, and I was playing with. I mean, I had a scissors in my hand, and I was trying to cut the rice bag. I cut the wire of the Healy and then had a disconnect. And by the time I got the wire, it was kind of a long time. But then anyway, I've been not using it very consistently what I was supposed to use it. But then Preeti and Ashok sir have been like, help me guide through this whole process. But still I'm using very less program. But I had a very deep back muscle issues. Whenever I have like issue, I try to keep it, play some program, run some programs. It really calms me down, helps in all my anxiety. No, I don't have much anxiety, but I'm trying to, I'm very happy and impressed to see everybody's testimonials saying that how they are helping other people. Probably now I have to take more help from others in the group to more
Thank you
seek
Shashi
more
ma'am.
benefits. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Shashi ma'am,
Thank
for
you.
coming and sharing. And I'm pretty sure you'll get more and more help, and you are going to witness more of Healy coming in. Let's
Thank
bless
you.
Shashi ma'am to have a vibrant health and healing always, and she could have surrounded with more and more joy, more and more love, more and more abundance that always uplifts her to the next level. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being part of our life.
Thank you.
Okay, go for it. Arun and Pratima, right?
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, perfect. Excited
Yeah.
to hear you.
Yeah. So myself and Pradima, both of us, we belong to Sanjay sir and Rekha madam's team actually. So we are very much thankful for Sanjay sir and Rekha madam for, giving us Healy in the right time. So basically we are married since 3 years, and we were actually planning for a family, and Pradima wasn't getting pregnant soon. We spent a huge amount on infertility treatments actually initially. So it was like more than 6 to 7 lakhs we have spent on infertility treatments, going to many doctors, and trying many things. Nothing worked much well, and Pratima wasn't getting conceiving actually. So after a lot of trials, one day Sanjay sir and Rekha madam told us, you should try with Healy. So we took the Healy, and Pratima was using it religiously, regularly, without fail. So after 1 week, or after 1 month of usage, she saw changes coming up in her body. All the basically, she has a AMH issue actually. So doctors used to tell me, for a normal woman to get pregnant, the AMH level should be something between 0.9 to 1.5 kind of thing actually. But her AMH level was, like 0.015. So it is, like 10 times or 15 times below the natural normal level of the AMH. And when I spoke to many doctors, both in homeopathy, Ayurveda, Unani, what all the treatments are available. So everyone told me that there is no medicine as of now in the world which is used to improve the AMH level. We can improve the egg quality, but the AMH level cannot be improved. And without the AMH, it is an anti-Mullerian hormone. She will not be able to get pregnant actually. Then with the help of Healy and Mag Healy, there are certain programs which Sanjay sir and Rekha madam, and we executed those programs on Pratima, and after we received this Healy in the month of August, and by September ending we started to see a lot of changes coming up, and doctor was also surprised actually that the uterus
After 4 months, we conceived the pregnancy due
after
to Healy.
with the help of Healy
With the help
and
of
some supplements
Uh,
which Sanjay sir and Rekha madam has also supported us with certain supplements actually.
we have got healthy baby.
And After 9 months, now
1 month.
we have become parents. Now our baby is 1 month, 8 days old baby. He is very, very, very healthy. And we are very happy to share this testimony with all of you. So this was a very wonderful journey of pregnancy, and doctors was also surprised actually. I'll tell you one more good news is that when she became pregnant, we had twins actually.
Twins.
Twins. When Pratima conceived, she had twin fetus in her. But over a period of time, only one baby came out safely. So it was a very wonderful and lovely journey with Healy that we had up to now. And the whole 9 months went up very well. And doctor keeps on asking me, what did you use? What did you use? Did you change any medicine? Did you change any diet, or what did you do to improve the AMH levels? And we did not tell her that we are used Healy, but it was a very, very, very big miracle actually. We had actually 3 miracles coming up on our way actually. One is the AMH level getting improved, the uterus health getting improved, and all the debris which was there in the uterus or with the fallopian tube we call it, that all it went off and everything came out perfectly. At the end of after 1 month of usage, we saw a lot of changes with the help of Mag Healy and Healy, and we had lot of faith on on Sanjay sir and Rekha madam, who always guided us to use it in a proper fashion and a proper way. By end of November, we
got the news.
got the
pregnancy.
Pratima conceived, and we were very happy at that time actually.
Awesome,
And
awesome, awesome, awesome. I feel this would be the best testimony ever we could have heard. Oh my God. Literally goosebumps. I'm so grateful to God to hear this. Thank you so much, Arun and Pratima, for using Healy.
thank you very much
Content.
for Sanjay sir and
Rekha
Rekha madam for
They are
proper
the
guidance
real
actually.
angels.
Thank you very much.
They are the real angels. So Sanjay ji and Rekha ma'am, I mean, we couldn't be more grateful to the work which you have done. Thank you so much for spreading so much of healing around. And Arun and all of you guys, I feel we are all literally spellbound with this testimony. All of you guys, 327 people out here, we need to rush because there are so many people waiting. Let's bless Arun and Pratima to have this divine child. May the child would be always protected. May you have the wisdom, knowledge, understanding, and utmost love and protection for the child. May your house grow with joy, happiness, love, harmony, everything, where your house can just be abundant and the child be abundant with you, grow beautifully with you. Thank you so much for being part.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Preeti Dhanuka, please go for it.
Good evening, everyone. I'm so glad to be a part of this testimonial night. Hearing so many testimonies, I have lots to share. First of all, I would like to thank Debjani Roy, who introduced Healy to my life, Ram Prasad ji, who has been a rock solid support, being guiding every step of the use of the device. I have seen several benefits. To start off with, I was dealing with fibromyalgia, trying different things, pushing this device away, but then I was being pulled to it for the last 2 years. This year, February, it again came into my life, and I'm glad that I took the decision that I needed this for myself this time. I started using, my energy levels have been very high, and there has been a lot of changes, not just in the energy level, even there were a lot of issues on my skin because of the cyst that I have on my uterus and ovaries. And I knew it is an emotional block and the cyst that's creating the skin issue. My analysis did not even show any skin issue, which made it more evident that this is not anything related to the skin. Gradually, it did take a bit of a time, But yes, it is so much better right now. More than myself, I found it being helpful for many. I have my daughter with me today, Devyani. She got burned last year, and there was a big burn mark on her hand, on her left hand, which was quite big. Recently, I suddenly realized and I asked her how it is, and she was like, she'll share it herself as to how it happened and what happened.
So I was basically in the kitchen one day and the pressure cooker had exploded on me. So
Okay, it was a very shocking incident which she faced. There was a big, other marks had healed due to pranic healing, but there was a big mark on her left arm. It was 10 to 12-inch big. Recently, I saw the mark was not there. It is no more, it's just 10%, 5% left. Otherwise, it's totally gone. And it is all because of the use of Healy, the Gold Cycle, the skin analysis programs, which has helped her to come out of that. And I know, I am very sure that she will come out of that trauma very soon using the Bhakla therapy. Recently, I used the Healy for my brother-in-law, who was going through a severe skin issue where there was protein burst from the cells due to steroid reaction, and his entire skin was full of blisters, which was all infected, bacterial infected. When I saw him, it was a very bad condition. Believe me, just 10 days, and that has been a miracle. The doctor says, how is it possible that you have almost healed 90%? He's back to work in just 12 days, whereas he was suffering for the last 2 months, not being able to come out of the situation. And I can go on and on, but for today, I would share this much. And thank you so much for giving me a chance to come and share. I will keep using and keep benefiting. I know this has been a divine blessing for me, and I'm being able to help so many around me. Being a life coach, I know, a personal success coach, I know this is a catalyst helping people in their holistic well-being. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Preeti, for coming and sharing here. And big shout out to Debjani and Push sir for
Yes,
doing what you
Pushpaji
do.
has always been there, guiding me, especially for this case where it was the skin issue. He was like, Preeti, do this, Preeti, do this. And I just followed, and it has been a miracle.
Absolutely. He is literally an inspiration for all of us. So thank you, Devjani. Thank you, Pushar, for being around for Preeti always. And today we could hear such a beautiful testimony. All of you guys, let's bless Preeti and a beautiful child, her angel, to have that courage, the confidence, the healing powers may multiply. Preeti's clients multiply 10x with all the wisdom and the knowledge which they carry. May they touch and uplift more and more people around, their family, their children, their loved ones. May she have more of joy, more of love, more of abundance, more of money flow in their life through Healy. Thank you so much for being part of Healy. Oh, two are there. Kareem and Isha. Who is going first? Isha, we'll take you after Kareem. Okay.
Hello everyone. Hello Leena ji. Good evening everyone. I'm Karimunisa from Vishakhapatnam, and I'm very new to this Healy, and I would like to thank the angel who introduced Healy in my life, Meenas, and Preeti ji, who is always supporting me. This is very, 2 weeks I'm using Healy. Healy came into my life at this time. My father is suffering a lot. Right after I'm getting Healy, he was going through he has the backbone, lower back problem issue. He's not able to walk also. And with the support of everyone, I started giving him healings from the distance healing using Blue app, distance healing. I started giving him from the 3 days, after using the 3 days, he's feeling so better. And I said that I'm sending you healings, so please receive that. I'm a EFT practitioner and pranic healer. So he understands some of the things. So I said that I'm using this for yourself. Please accept that. So he started accepting that. Even in distance healing, he sees tremendous results. I'm very new. Actually, 2 weeks I have, I got Healy 2 weeks. After this also I'm seeing miraculous changes in my life and especially in my parents. Both the parents, suddenly they got into the issues like legs and everything, knee problems. So I'm healing them also alternately using Gold Cycle for me, and it's really working miraculous. I am so overwhelmed. And I used to say that before, you have sleep issues, in resonance we have this, it shows all the problems. So when I asked him, he used to shock, and I also, yeah, I also mesmerized, oh my god, it's saying before they are telling the problem, I can see that what percentage in it. It's a really miraculous for me. Meridian is one of my, as a EFT practitioner, I really like Meridian programs. So I'm so thankful to everyone, and especially the classes sessions going by Leena ma'am and Vikas sir, Pragyan ma'am and Rajendra sir. They are very helpful for me. I'm trying to attend each and every session when it is going. As a new user to Healy, it's really helping me so a lot. I'm so grateful to all of you, and they are miraculous testimonials going on. They are sharing everything, and I would like to give the big testimonial after some time. I would like to heal my father completely by this. I would like to have their own. I dependent not anyone. It's a issue when it grows old, so they have to do. They had not dependent on anyone. So it's I strongly believe that in few months I will see that also. Thank you so much, everyone, and thank you, gratitude to the inventor of markers and everyone. Thanks a lot for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you so much for coming and sharing, sweetheart. I just loved your testimony, and we could feel from your heart you are speaking. Thank you for using it so beautifully. All of you guys, let's bless Kareem to have a beautiful life with Healy. All her loved ones, all the family members, everyone she's using Healy for, she can see more and more recovery, much faster recovery, more of joy, more of abundance, more of wealth, more of love for flowing in her life through every angle what she's looking out. Thank you so much for being part of Healing. Go for it, Isha.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Okay. A very spiritual good evening to all of us, because we all are healers here. No matter what we all are in a profession, some may be healers, some may be doctors, some may be businessmen, housewives. But on the basis of Healy, I must say we all are healers. And it's a very divine opportunity to be on this platform, to be amongst all of you. I would like to give a message before I start. My upline, Dr. Ashka, she introduced me to the Healy for the first time, and I was mesmerized with the results. What analysis she showed me, and the moment I acknowledged them, and within a just of a second, I was just prepared for the device. Yes, I have to get this, and I purchased it in a very fast super zone, without any checking, without any testings, without any YouTube searchings, because we all go through from so many things. Whomsoever we approach, everybody is like, they keep on searching on Google and reviewing. We all are here giving testimonies. These are so tremendous, and these are so, what should I say, it's like very miraculous and therapeutic zone. I must address, this is like, I will be sharing only two testimonies today. One is about skin harmony programs, which I gave to my 2-3 of students, my clients. I am a clinical psychologist. I practice as a mental coach. And with that, this Healy platform has given me a healing, 360 degree view. And with that, this Healy platform has given me a healing 360 degree view. And with that, this Healy platform has given me a healing 360 degree view. And with that, this Healy platform has given me a healing 360 degree view. And with that, this Healy platform has given me a healing 360 degree view. And with that, this Healy platform has given me a healing 360 degree view. And with that, this Healy platform has given me a healing 360 degree view. And with that, this Healy platform has given me a healing 360 degree view. And with that, this Healy platform has given me a healing 360 degree view. And with that, this Healy platform has given me a healing 360 degree view. And with that, this Healy platform has given me a healing 360 degree view. And with that, this Healy platform has given me a healing 360 degree view. And with that, this Hea as a healer tagline. It gets tough to, acknowledge the other person, what profession you are into when it comes to healing. But this divine device is helping people like anything. I would like to say, whomsoever is using Healy, they must use with bands like this. This is the fastest approach with which you get results. Secondly, uh, this coil device and this Mag Healy device, this is super fast. This shows super fast results. This is helping so many people on the pace of, like, I have no words to say about it. The skin harmony test programs, this helped on the basis of hormonal issues. Like, my child is of 18 years and he was having so many of scars, pimples on his face, and one fine day I said, Mahir, your skin is like shining like anything. And he said, Mama, this is the magic of skin harmony programs in Healy. And I was not even aware of this. This was very amazing. And I said, I even did not need to go to any skin specialist. And it was really helpful for me to, he helped himself on the basis of this platform. Then I would like to address second issue. That issue in itself is like the biggest miracle in my life. I helped my mother-in-law. She was not able to move her left leg because of sciatica pain, and she was having her lower back issues also. And she was on regular medication, uh, and every second day she used to take some kind of medications or painkillers or something or the other. And she was only uh, approachable from her room to the kitchen within the span of 100 meters, 50 meters. She was not comfortable moving around. I started her programs on Healy with sciatica, with lower back in Mag Healy, with gold program, distant gold program, then some of stimulation programs. I am so surprised. She is off from the medication. She's not even on medications. And I'm touchy right now. She
Awesome,
was
awesome, awesome. Fantastic. Thank you so much. I'm pretty sure, Dr. Isha, you will have so many testimonies to share. And it is such a mind blowing testimony. And so beautifully you shared with the program names what you used. And I hope you have tried even the high wave. High wave is much more
Yeah, I'm
intense
planning
and
for it.
effective. So do
Yes,
that. It will
yes,
literally help you.
yes.
And I'm super excited to hear your stories almost every month. Let's bless Dr. Isha. The wisdom, the knowledge, the healing power she carries may uplift and heal more and more people. She become a channel to this world around. May she have abundant joy, love, peace, harmony in her life, and every desire of hers may fulfill through healing. Thank you so much for being part of healing. Okay. Okay. We will have Swapna ji and Bhargav ji maybe after Meenal ji. So once, okay, fantastic. Go for it, Meenal ji. आप दिख नहीं रहे हो मीनल जी, आप किधर हो?
Yes, finally.
फाइनली आप ऐसे कर सकते हैं मोबाइल को क्या
हाँ,
हॉरिजॉन्टल या परफेक्ट
okay.
हाँ रिलैक्स ब्रीथ
ये जूम में कुछ इशू आ रहा है मेरे तो मैं थोड़ा सा हाँ, दिस इज माय थर्ड टेस्टिमनी। मैंने जो फर्स्ट टेस्टिमनी दी थी उसमें मैंने बताया था कि शिवाय इनिशियली इट वाज शिवाय का सिचुएशन बहुत वर्स्ट था, ये मैंने पहले भी बताया था। फर्स्ट टेस्टिमनी में मैंने बताया था कि हीली मेरी लाइफ में कितना ब्लेस्ड रहा मेरी लाइफ में मेरे बच्चों के लिए, और शिवाय में बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट आए थे और मैंने फिर हीली को पूरे 8 महीने पूरी शिद्दत के साथ यूज़ किया था। और शिवाय में जो फिक्सेशन इशू थे और जो टैंट्रम इश्यूज थे वो आई मीन बहुत हद तक पता है, मेरे को लगता है 1% अब रह गया होगा. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि there is some issue. Okay, it's not like कि 100% he is fine. मैं ऐसे कैसे बोल सकती हूँ, बहुत एग्जैगरेट होगा ये. बट ना वो अब बाकी बच्चों अपनी क्लास में जो उसके बच्चे हैं ना, वो उनके साथ मिक्स हो गया है, उनके साथ वो खेलने लग गया है, वो क्लास में क्लास वर्क लिख कर आने लगा. लास्ट टाइम मैंने कहा था कि मेरा बहुत बड़ा माइलस्टोन है कि वो क्लास वर्क करे, वो लिखे, वो थोड़ा ब्यूटीफुली लिखे. तो फाइनली ही स्टार्टेड राइटिंग, ही स्टार्टेड रीडिंग. जब मैं इसको रीड करते हुए देखती हूँ तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. मैं बता नहीं सकती, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बाकी बच्चों की तरह ही अब वो बिहेव करने लगा है. और सो यस, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. बहुत ही अच्छा इम्प्रूवमेंट है. मैंने लीना मैम को भी दिखाया था शिवाय का इम्प्रूवमेंट. अब तो हालत ये है कि भाई साहब दिमाग बहुत ज्यादा लगाने लगे हैं. और वो मुझे बराबर मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ, मेरा नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या होगा, वो तक समझता है. बहुत एक्टिव है. प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड बहुत इम्प्रूव हुआ है. जैसे पहले वो एब्सेंट रहता था, अब ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. उसका प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड भी बहुत अच्छा इम्प्रूव हुआ है. बाकी बच्चों के साथ फ्रेंड्स बनाने लगा है. जो पहले आइसोलेशन वाला इशू था वो भी नहीं है, वो अब फ्रेंड्स बनाया है. उसके उसके गर्ल्स टीम ज्यादा है एज कम्पेयर टू बॉयज. बॉयज एक दो ही हैं. बट अच्छा लगता है मुझे जब वो अपने फ्रेंड्स के बारे में मुझसे डिस्कस करता है. तो सो यस.
थैंक यू मीनल जी. आप कुछ बोल रहे हैं, आप म्यूटेड है. थैंक यू मीनल जी. और मैंने शिवाय, थैंक यू सो मच. शिवाय के वीडियोस मैंने देखे एंड लिटरली मतलब मुझे खुद विश्वास नहीं हो रहा है. एक एक स्टेट का कैपिटल उससे पूछ लो, वो बता देगा. एंड जो इतना क्लियरली, आई हैव नेवर सीन सच एन इंटेलिजेंट चाइल्ड. ओ माय गॉड, व्हाट अ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. थैंक यू सो मच मीनल जी, इधर आके आपने शेयर किया. और उनको और बोलने का मन है. शायद उनका वीडियो एक अलग से कैप्चर होना चाहिए कि पूरा फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड हम एक साथ आपका कैप्चर करेंगे अब. और नेक्स्ट टाइम हम शिवाय को लेकर कैप्चर करेंगे. थैंक यू सो मच. शिवाय इज लिटरली अ सेलिब्रिटी इन द हीली complete family. I can tell you that. Who doesn't know Shivai? Everyone wants to know about Shivai. Let's bless Shivai and Meenal Mishra entire family to have the healing powers. They can see the growth, the intelligence, the abundance, the way the child is growing every day. The miracles which are flowing in their life is endless. May they be divine protection. They completely protected with good health, more of abundance, more of love, more of joy flowing into their life. Thank you so much for being part of healing. Yes, Bhargav ji, so nice to see you.
Yeah. Good morning, Lina ji. You are able to hear me?
Yes, perfect.
Okay. Thank you, everyone, for giving me this opportunity. Yep. One fine afternoon, a guy who's completed his lunch and going for an afternoon walk, suddenly a hive opened and it is harmless bees. After that, we came to know that, however, the guy is unable to run because of his knee pain. Okay. The same thing has been explained to his wife. Wife told to start using Healy, which has been घर पे पड़ा है from couple of months. Initially, he did not listen. Later, he started using it and started listening his wife's words, using joints and bones harmony, and as well as some other stomach issues, digest all harmony. He started using it, and guys, it is working. You have to use it. Use it not like just use for 10-15 days and you started small result, then don't stop it. Use it consistently. That particular person is using from 3 to 4 months. It is showing a tremendous results. It's me only. I'm listening my wife's words. समटाइम्स भी बोलते हैं टीवी लाने के लिए टीवी लेकर आना पड़ता है, भी बोलते हैं हिंदी के लिए यूज करना पड़ता है. You use it and share it by. It is working tremendously.
Super. Thank you, thank you, thank you so
Yep,
much.
thank you very much.
इसलिए the moral of the story is listen to your wife first. So your life would be much more healed and better and abundant and growing. So thank you for teaching us that lesson, and thank you Healy to teach you that lesson, Bhargav ji. All of you guys, let's bless Bhargav and Swapna ji to have a beautiful life together. This rocking couple, may they have the love, the togetherness, may they literally double X with Healy, their career, the growth in their life, and the child in their growth, the career growth. Both of them have more of love, more of joy, more of peace, may flowing in their life through Healy. Thank you so much for being part of Healy. Okay, Dr. Alok, we have three doctors today. I completely forgot. Dr. Shivraj Patil is also waiting. Go for it, Dr. Alok. Excited to hear you. 1 second.
Yeah.
Are we missing the birthday girl?
Yes, no, she is here. She is here.
Happy birthday! Get started.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So thank you so much, Leena ji, for guiding us, in every way. And we are really so blessed to be in this team. Today, we are going to share a very, very wonderful case, which we have treated successfully. And the person is also is with us. So let me share it first. So recently, in our clinic, we have treated a patient who was first diagnosed with a full body herpes blister. So herpes blister, it's a kind of a, it's a viral infection which basically affect the nerve endings, and it is very, very painful. The patient was in the severe pain, and because of this pain, he was admitted to the hospital, where he got a severe cutaneous adverse drug reaction when the doctors has administered a wrong medicine into him. And because of that, the whole body got the blister, like third degree burn kind of thing was there. And the chances were very bleak for him. The doctors were really doubting of his survival, and later then he has been transferred to the ICU. And but his brother was very, very confident. He was having the Healy. He contacted us. So we suggested all the programs, and through the distance, he has given all the programs to his brother. And in just 5 and 6 days, he was completely out of danger. And day before yesterday, he was released from the hospital, absolutely perfectly okay. He has got the new skin, and he has no words for the healing. So I'm just asking Deepa ji that what the program she has suggested to him, just she will tell you.
Yeah. Hello, I'm Dr. Deepa. I'm homeopathic physician, and I am using Healy with a creative homeopathy wonderfully with my patients. So I advises the one fine day, Rajiv ji has called me, and he said ki my brother is in very critical condition, and just 1 month before he's got the Healy, but he has full trust on Healy. So he said he's in danger, and doctor has said he's in really very difficult condition, and whether we will be able to save him or not, we can't say. So Rajiv ji had called me and he said, can we do something with Healy, although he does not have trust on Healy? So I said ki it's no problem at all. Healy will work definitely, because it's a total science, it's a quantum healing. And whether he has trust or not, it doesn't matter. Healy will work. So I have suggested at the time that taking the patient in my mind, because the patient mental condition as well as the physical condition. So I suggested first the defense program to him, the aura. First I suggested him to give aura in the morning, and after that the creative homeopathic program, whatsoever medicines are coming, give him 3 times a day from the distance. And after that I have given the Susler salts medicine. So I thought ki mental, emotional, and the physical, all three front we have to really fight with the patient condition. So, like the Rajiv ji has given Healy all the 24 hours. Healy was working for him. And within 5 days, we got wonderful result. And finally, he is here at home. And now I would like to call Rajiv ji. He is here with us. He will share his experience.
Can you please unmute Rajiv ji also? He's in the queue.
Can he raise hand?
Yeah, Rajiv
Yes,
ji, yes.
he's
Yes,
there.
he's
He's there.
Yes, go ahead, Rajiv ji.
हेलो,
Yes.
आवाज आ रही है आपको?
आ रही है,
Yes.
आ रही है राजीव जी।
नमस्कार सब लोगों को और हिली का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। ये आलोक जी और दीपा जी हैं, इनके माध्यम से मुझे हिली के बारे में पता लगा था और ये मेरे बहुत क्लोज फ्रेंड हैं। मुझे हिली के बारे में पहले कुछ भी जानकारी नहीं थी। जब ये मेरे घर आए तो इन्होंने इसके बारे में बताया, मैंने कहा ठीक है, यूज करते हैं। और उसका वो चमत्कार ही हो गया। मेरा भाई बहुत ज्यादा सीरियस हो गया था और हिली की वजह से बहुत जबरदस्त रिजल्ट मिला। एक बार तो हम लोगों ने आशा ही छोड़ दी थी, पता नहीं हमारे साथ रह पाएगा क्या, दुनिया छोड़ देगा। लेकिन थैंक्स टू हिली, मैं रोज डेली कम से कम 6 घंटे उसको हिली देता था डिस्टेंस से। और उसका रिजल्ट ये है कि आज वो हमारे बीच में है, बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत बढ़िया है। और खास तौर से मैं अपनी मदर को भी हिली देता हूँ, जो कि बिल्कुल डिप्रेशन में चली गई थी। और बहुत मुझे खुशी हो रही है, 2-3 दिन से वो मंदिर जा रही हैं, जबकि चलना फिरना बिल्कुल बंद हो गया था उनका। ज्यादातर बेड पे ही रहती थी, बहुत थोड़ी मूवमेंट थी और बहुत कम बोलती थी। तो अब पता नहीं क्या है, अब तो बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक है, मंदिर जा रही हैं, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। तो थैंक टू हिली। और सबसे ज्यादा धन्यवाद मैं आलोक जी का और दीपा जी का दूंगा, जिन्होंने मुझे इनसे जोड़ने का मौका दिया और मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा। क्योंकि घर में सारे अपोजिट थे इसके, लेकिन ये मेरे मित्र भी हैं, मेरे गुरु भाई भी हैं। जब इन्होंने बताया तो मैंने आंख मीच के इन पर भरोसा करके मैंने कहा जो है ठीक है, सब प्रभु की कृपा करेंगे। और बस जुड़ गए हम इनसे। और
राजीव जी, आपकी हियरिंग भी तो ठीक हुई है इससे?
हाँ, मैं भी खुद हार्ड हियरिंग था और उसमें काफी फर्क पड़ा है। पूरा तो नहीं कह सकते, लेकिन बहुत ज्यादा फर्क पड़ गया है। लगभग 60-70% तो फर्क पड़ा ही है।
Just
तो
2
अभी
months.
फिलहाल मैं ऊपर रीलिंग यूज नहीं करता हूँ। अभी तो मदर के ऊपर और ब्रदर के ऊपर ही पूरा कंसंट्रेशन दे रखा है। उसके बाद देखते हैं, लेकिन सब कुछ ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा है।
थैंक यू राजीव जी।
थैंक यू।
ऑसम, फैंटास्टिक। हीली यूज करते रहिए और उनकी सलाह लेते रहिए, जैसे डॉक्टर आलोक और डॉक्टर दीपा आपको सिखा रही है। प्लीज कंटिन्यू करिए यूज करना। और मैंने देखा आपने अच्छे से सुन रहे हो, आप मतलब हियरिंग ठीक हुआ है, आप जवाब दे रहे हो जो हम बोल रहे हैं, तो आपका हियरिंग भी काफी अच्छा हो गया है। और वी हैव दैट ग्रैटिट्यूड। थैंक यू डॉक्टर दीपा एंड डॉक्टर आलोक, द वर्क यू आर डूइंग। मतलब भगवान को कितना थैंक्स बोले यार, क्या चीज है ये हमारे हाथ में। आई मीन थैंक यू द पर्सन। हमें लगता है कि कैसे, हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल। सो थैंक यू। जो लोग सोच रहे हैं ना कि होगा कि नहीं होगा, लें कि नहीं ले, महंगा है सस्ता है, ले लो भाई, ले लो। आपको जरूरत नहीं है, आपके घर में जरूरत है। सो thank you for all that sharing. Let's bless Rajiv ji, Dr. Deepa, as her birthday today, and what a day to come and share the sharing. Dr. Alok, the kind of work you guys are doing, may you be blessed with the utmost joy, the abundance, every desire you are thinking of in your life, for your family, for your child. May you be protected. May your goals would be fulfilled. May you achieve every ladder. May take you to the highest level. Thank you so much. Let the money, let the wealth flow in, let the joy flow in with ease and grace. Thank you so much for being part of Healing. Megha, go for it, dear.
मेघा जी आप ऑडिबल नहीं हो, आप अनम्यूट कीजिए अपने आप को. कैन somebody help to unmute Megha ji? Yes.
Am I audible now?
हाँ हाँ
Perfect.
बोलिए.
Okay. Hello, friends. Good evening, everyone. This is Megha Verma from Agra, the city of.
Continue मेघा जी, हम सुन पा रहे हैं आपको.
हाँ. This is Megha Verma from Agra, the city of Taj Mahal. I'm an author cum editor in the publication department. Thank you for joining me today as I share with you my heart wealth journey with Healy device. Firstly, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to Pankaj Sharma sir and Hemant sir for bringing this magical gadget into my life. This is somewhat like a magical band which has transformed my life into 360 degrees. Well, I have been using Healy for the last 4 months, and I'm amazed by how it has transformed my overall well-being. When I first started using Healy, I was dealing with nagging physical discomforts like body ache, stiffness, and moments of low energy that made it really hard for me to cope up with my busy schedule. But after just a few weeks of using Healy and its frequency programs, I noticed a significant reduction in my physical discomforts. Like my joints felt looser, and the chronic tension I carried for years seemed to melt away. Beyond pain management, Healy has boosted my energy levels multiple folds. Now I feel much refreshed and stay energized throughout the day. Then my sleep quality improved a lot, which has been a huge win for my physical stamina. And over the period of 4 months, gradually and slowly, Healy has helped me tremendously to combat with my ailments of high BP, diabetes, hormonal imbalance, cervical pain. A list is long enough. So this is all about my physical ailments. Now talking about mental health, Healy with its programs like Mental Balance shines in fostering clarity, focus, and reduced stress. My thoughts became clearer, my focus sharper, and that heavy cloud of stress began to lift. My daughter Khushi is also a huge fan of Healy. She has accomplished multiple benefits from it. Like she used to feel anxiety and tension while preparing for her exams. But with programs like Relaxer, she could focus on her studies with much concentrated and calm mind. She has also upgraded her percentile using programs like Learning. So this Healy is somewhat like Aladdin ka Chirag for our family. Me and my family is now ready to face any challenge of the life. Let it be in any sphere, be it on physical, mental, emotional, or spiritual grounds. We know that Healy is there to sort it out. But lastly, much more to speak about.
Yes, yes.
What I love most about Healy is how convenient it is to use. It is compact enough to clip onto my clothes, and I can run its programs while working, relaxing, and even on the go. It's like having a personal it's like having a personal wellness coach into my pocket. So I feel so blessed to have Healy in my life. Thank you, Healy. Thank you, God. Thank you, Pankaj Sharma sir. Thank you, Hemant sir. Thank you, everyone right there. Have a great evening ahead.
Thank you, Megha Verma ji. Beautifully narrated each and everything about Healy, and I just loved it. Thank you for coming and sharing so much. Aladdin ka Chirag, the personal coach, the genie. I don't know Healy हमारे लिए क्या क्या है. So thank you. Let's bless Megha Verma ji for having a beautiful life, beautiful memories coming in with Healy, and the resilience which she has built up, facing in ready to face any kind of hardships coming in with utmost confidence and courage. May God bless her to have more of joy, more of bliss, more of abundance flowing in her life. with Healy. Thank you so much for being part of Healy. We have Purva, we have Sharda. So maybe Purva can come in after Sharda. Yes.
Very good evening, everyone. Can everyone, ma'am, can you, am I audible?
Perfect, perfect.
Yeah. And this is my, actually to be very, actually myself, Sharada Bolmal from Belgaum, Karnataka. And thank you, Healy and the family. And first and foremost, I'd like to thank Rashmi Hiranandani ma'am, who introduced to me. And later on, Prithpal sir and Rajendra sir, who were always there to handhold me. And last time I shared my experience regarding my one of my dog and myself, whom I got healed. And my husband was very skeptical using it because he was not known to this. Little few days back, he was feeling very low and this. I told, let me heal you. And he told what this can do with me. Though I'm using it, he was very skeptical to use it. But you'll not believe it, after running the program, he was so relaxed. And today also he told me, I'm feeling, we are Kannadigas, to be very frank. He told me in Kannada, adi en tandile, bala chalo iti. Means what you have brought, this has brought a lot of things good to me. And I thank this one. And to be very frank, my one of the dog was not well. I just take care of 9 dogs, and one was not well on that day. That was on 16th of August. It was suffering a lot. Being a stray, I couldn't take it to the doctors. It was giving a lot of whining sound, and it was on the completely lay down. And I thought, let me try my best to get this done. You'll not believe, after running programs for 2 to 3 sessions, there was no sound. He was not actually in pain, but sadly, to be very frank, the next day he passed. But the thing is, he passed in peace. That was where I just could make myself, and I thank Healy for that. And thank you, lot of things, much are there to tell, but one thing, I see miracle testimonies here. A baby is born and people are confident where they are really struggling hard to put on much things. But I'm very happy to connect with this. And Leena, especially Leena ma'am, I love the way you bless. I love and love. I'll just get this. When you pass on this knife, I'm getting it. I'm getting it. And last time also I shared with Rajendra sir, I need that blessings. I need that. I'm very happy to get that. And love you all.
Awesome, ma'am. Thank you so much for coming here. And we are happy to bless you more and more, because when you are in an utmost health, I'm pretty sure there are so many stray dogs getting well in the good health through you. So you are a channel healing the stray dogs as well. That's why I love you the most. This time I'm going to connect with you. Let's all of you guys, 252 people out here, the Sharda ma'am needs a blessing. May she have the utmost joy, love and abundance flowing into her life. May all her four-legged babies, may complete be protected, may complete be served through her in good health and vibrant energy. May she have all her desires which she is looking out to be fulfilled through Healy. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being part of Healy. Yes, Purva, go for it, dear.
Can somebody allow her to unmute?
Hello, Leena ji. Hi, everyone. So I have started, I was introduced by Nafees to Healy, and Ashwini ji had guided me all through. So Nafees and Ashwini ji had always been there for me. So quickly, I will just share my, victories with all of you. So when I started using Healy, the first thing was, Nafees was a very good friend, so she suggested कि तुम ये ले लो, तो मैंने ले तो लिया था. वो first 7 days जो detox था, उसमें there was something that, it was not something very huge, but I was feeling a very peace, a calm in my mind. जैसे I'm a healer, I'm a coach, so we tend to give and do a lot of things for others, but हम एक चीज भूल जाते हैं कि we have to take care of ourselves also. So I think that 7 days really helped me to, calm down and be really relaxed. So that was the first victory, first sense of peace, in those, after a very long time that I have experienced. One was that, and there was a lot of experiences, physical health wise, which me and my family have experienced. like I am a healer coach, so मेरे को ना लैपटॉप में बहुत बैठना पड़ता है. So my neck and I started building this neck issues and shoulder pain, and it is very severe. And मेरे lower back में भी बहुत दर्द होता है. So after using Mag after using Healy, I think that pain has gone. Now I don't fear that I have to wake up with a back pain, so that is not there. And because Healy is there, Mag Healy is there taking care of me and my back pain. And there was one more incident, like we were going for a very long drive with friends, and my husband started having this little headache on the way, and I had Healy in my hand. So मैंने फटाफट sizzler salt लगाया, and within 10-15 minutes he said कि I'm just feeling so okay, I'm feeling very relaxed. So that is one thing. And my mother-in-law, she has skin issues, rashes, and also she has this sciatica का पेन है उनको बैक में. तो वो एक पेन उनका बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प करता है. अभी completely गया नहीं है, but she's using it, she's loving it, and she uses very sincerely every night. तो एक उनको बहुत हेल्प किया है ये. And one more very important thing is that my dog, my pet at home, he gets this itching every day. बहुत itch होता है उसको. So it feels really sad to sorry. It feels really sad to see him that we are trying to do everything. सारे sprays use कर रहे, सब use कर रहे थे, पर कुछ नहीं हो रहा था. But when I started using the Healy for him for the dog therapy, उससे completely उसकी itching चली गई है. I think he feels so relaxed. So that is one power that I feel we are blessed with, and we can heal not only us and my family members, but my dog is also getting healed through this. So I always say, that जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना, universe has my back, and now I keep saying that Healy has my back. So whether my kids are in school, whether my my husband is traveling, I know I can run Healy programs and everybody is taken care of. So Healy has become a very important part in our family, and for my kids, for my mother-in-law, for my father, everybody. So this is what I wanted to share. And thank you, Ashwini ji, thank you, Nafees, and thank you, everybody. I'm really enjoying Healy, and I wish to introduce this to more people so that more people can benefit. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Purva. Thank you so much for coming and sharing, and beautiful way you shared. It's so good to see as a healer you are doing such a great work. Let's bless Purva with more and more clients coming in her life so that more and more lives can be touched through her healing powers. May her family can actually experience, each and every person could witness the Healy. Through Healy, every day there would be more and more miracles, more and more blessing beyond imagination coming in her life. Every goal of hers, everything what she desires, her loved ones, may they actually have 10x their joy, love, abundance in her life. Thank you so much, Purva, for coming here and part of Healing. Okay, Dr. Shivraj Patil, we have been waiting for you. Awesome. आपका फोन ऐसे हो सकता है, शिवराज जी?
Okay.
Horizontal.
Is it?
Perfect.
Is it
Perfect. Perfect.
okay?
Perfect. Perfect.
Okay. Namaskar, one and all. After a long meet, I thank the person who has introduced to me, my own elder brother, Siddhan Goda Patil. And after that, I was being guided properly through Sheila Madam, Leena Madam, and obviously once I was lucky enough to meet the one of the hero of Healy team, Mr. Vikas Singh ji. I had met him at Bangalore. So he was also, and he is also a spirit always for all of us. Even though we are not able to meet more, but online I was able to listen to him, and whatever mistakes I had done earlier, first 1, 2, 3 months, right? I was able to correct while using Healy. So what I was doing was that without following the ethics, the basic principles which was being told by the discipline committee or the master who have been a pioneer for us right? So we used to give healing to them irrespective of either they are purchasing it or not purchasing it. So later we come to know that anything, unless we don't purchase any device, anything for that matter in health sector, right? We don't have any little even inclination towards that service. So later on, I stopped that by unless you are not going to have the proper guidance, attend the proper Zoom meeting, then go for the whatever the protocol we do advise as usual, then only we are going to give the more details regarding healing, right? So this was what I just wanted to start from where I had stopped. Then as I had been telling in the last in my last testimonial life, my mother had got a lot of acute symptoms of IBS, which my brother was also helping in healing her. So that which was not able to be healed or treated by the medicine, modern medicine, by the gastroenterologist. So in such condition, the acute IBS symptoms were able to manage with this. And recently, what I saw was that I was introduced to a person who was having Crohn's disease. We know that in autoimmune diseases, it's very tough for healing, right? So what I did was, Kibai, let me start with the distance healing. So because the patient had just come for consultation, so meantime, what I did, I just scanned him and just told I will just give a glimpse. What is the scenario within you now, sir? If you feel that something is related to your body mind status, after my scanning and diagnosing, then you can think of it, right? So I scanned him, and then while he was going, he told, "Sir, why don't you please do distance healing?" I don't know. On the same evening I started giving distance healing in this case, and next day evening I got a call. Sir, I don't know what is happening. Is it a placebo effect or what is how it is really working? I don't know, but I am getting very much cool calmness within me, and I feel my gut is feeling more comfortable. Then it was a spirit for me. It was a booster for me, and after that I continued for it. So after within 5 days, he came back. He got admitted in a hospital. And meantime, what he did was that he had come just for a week for the admission. And what I did one more mistake again. He by without purchasing, I was tempted to give to him to use it. And he told, sir, यही हो, जब आप यूज नहीं करते हैं तब तो हमें दीजिए सर, चाहे तो मैं आपको उसका जो फीस है मैं दे दूंगा. तो मैंने बोला कि ठीक है. Then again did another mistake कि भाई I allowed him to use that. So he extended his stay for another 2 to 3 weeks. Then I was shocked. So because the cost of the stay in any hospital, when you compare all together, when you see, it is more than when you purchase a Healy device. But still, what I found was that कि भाई the inclination, and he is telling कि भाई yes, I am totally free sir, मुझे कोई तकलीफ नहीं है, मेरा खाना अच्छा हो रहा है, मुझे जो है पेट में कोई भी symptoms नहीं है, मुझे लगता है कि अभी मुझे ये disease नहीं है. Then after that he went back, and after that I told them and I had given an alarm to him कि बोला कि सर आपने इसका बेनिफिट पाया है तो याद रखिए कि अगर आप इसको अगर जल्दी से जल्दी नहीं अपनाएंगे तो शायद हो सकता है फिर बॉडी आपकी अलार्म करे. तो रिसेंटली आई गॉट अ कॉल कि ही वाज नॉट इवन व्हाट वी से मैसेज में भी वो हमें ही वाज नॉट रिस्पॉन्डिंग. तो लास्ट टाइम जस्ट अ वीक बैक व्हेन आई रिस्पॉन्डेड, सर मैं एक हफ्ते के लिए एडमिट हुआ था सर, तो आपने जो बोला मैंने नहीं किया, फिर से सिम्टम्स रिकर हुआ, तो फिर उन्होंने बोला कि सर प्लीज स्टार्ट हीलिंग. तो फिर से मैंने क्या किया, डिस्टेंस हीलिंग किया. आप वो बोल रहा कि सर आई एम हैविंग मच बेटर symptoms relief, so I'll be coming soon and I'll be following the protocol of healing. So this was regarding distance healing, number 1. Number 2, अभी बात हो रही थी घर में कि जो है बीवी राजी तो सब राजी बोले जैसा. तो मेरी as usual, right, the other partner generally doesn't come easily to use healing. वो बोलते कि भाई तुम्हारे अंदर तो कोई चेंज आया नहीं जो मुझे लग रहा है, तो हर बार वो बोलते थे. तो मैंने बोला कि जो है जो मेरे अंदर जो चेंजेस आया है कि भाई आप बिना अलार्म 3:30 बजे उठते हो, इसलिए नहीं कि सुबह उठना है, इसलिए कि सुबह उठ के फर्स्ट प्रोग्राम आई नीड टू टेक द हीलिंग प्रोग्राम एट ब्रह्मी मोहर्त 3:30 3:40 sharp. I get up And once I have water, I first tie up the brands and first take the healing. So whatever is advised as per the scan, weekly scan, I do use it. And before I go to the next 6:30, wherever I go for yoga class or any other session, so before that I finish my 1 or 2 programs, one in blue app and one in the pink app, and then I go for my routine. तो अब आदत ये हुआ है कि जब पिछली बार जब मैंने बैंगलोर में शीला मैडम से और उनके हस्बैंड से मिला, तो मैंने आदत बना लिया है कि जो है अब मैं ऑफिस में रहूं, कहीं भी रहूं, तो जरूर मैं इसको अपने अंदर से हीलिंग को कनेक्ट करके मैं अब पूरे दिन में मैं कोशिश करता हूं कि जो भी एडवाइस है वो सारे प्रोग्राम मेरे ऑफिस आवर्स में खत्म हो जाता है. And before office and after office, I use healing for distance healing. तो इस distance healing में मैं जो है number 1 I am healing my family members. Number 2 the harmony which I need in a working place. तो मैंने एक 2 साल से जो अभी मैं प्रेजेंटली अहमदाबाद गुजरात में हूँ, तो जो हार्मनी मुझे एक्सपेक्टेशन था मैनेजमेंट से, तो मैं देख रहा कि जो है मैं रोज अभी मैं फिलहाल देखिए आई हैव बीन यूजिंग मैगी लीव टू चार्ज द वाटर. शायद ये नहीं मिल, अच्छा इट्स नॉट विजिबल. तो मैगी लीव मैं अपने ऑफिस में मेरे बगल में रखता हूँ. तो ऑफिस टाइम में जो ऑफिस वाला या क्रिएटिविटी एंड देयर इज लाइक जार है, पानी का जार, जहाँ पर आई गो फॉर चार्जिंग द वाटर एंड आई होल डे आई यूज द सेम वाटर विच इज बीइंग चार्ज विद हीलिंग. तो लोग कहते हैं कि व्हाट इज द सीक्रेट सर कि इतना एंथुसियास्टिक रहते हैं, सुबह का बैटरी शाम तक अभी भी ताजा ही रहता है. तो मैं बोला कि भाई मेरे पास एक जादू का डिवाइस मिला है, मैं वो पानी के ऊपर रख देता हूँ और वो जादू की छड़ी के जैसा मुझे पूरा दिन जो है उल्लास उत्साह एंथुसियाज्म में रखता है. So before coming to office, I use the same device and चार्ज जो मटका जो भी हमारे घर में है उसको मैं सुबह 4:30 से 5:30 के बीच में चार्ज करता हूँ, 5-10 लीटर का जो मटका है, ताकि मेरी घर वाली मुझे ज्यादा चार्ज न करे और वो डिस्चार्ज हो जाए. ठीक है जी. So this is the effect of Magini. And another thing what I saw was that again last time I had told regarding prosperity program which I used to use. Till the last date when I was supposed to get my upgradation, till then I was just mad. बोला कि या तो हीली या तो तू या तो फिर मैं. If अगर ये काम नहीं हुआ तो अगले दिन से मैं हीली यूज नहीं करूंगा, इतना अंदर से बना लिया था. So it was the last day when it was about to be announced कि भाई क्या होने वाला है आपके इसमें upgradation in economy. The last 6 o'clock, it was the time when I got a call and बोला कि yes, everything will be as per your expectation sir, so don't worry. कल जब नेक्स्ट आपका जो नेक्स्ट सैलरी आएगा वो उसी हिसाब से उतने ही इंक्रीमेंट से आएगा. तो फिर तब वो दिन है और ये दिन है कि मैं रोज जब मतलब ये बैटरी खत्म हो के जो है पता नहीं वो बस हो गया अभी उसको, बोला कि इसकी मुझे छोड़ने वाला नहीं. तो उसलिए जो है जैसे बैटरी खत्म हुआ अगेन आई पुट ऑन एंड आई सी दैट आई यूज द प्रॉस्पेरिटी प्रोग्राम. जब मैं घर में रहता हूँ, जो मेरी बीवी शुरू में मेरी बात नहीं मान रही थी ये सब लेने के लिए, तो मैं क्या करता हूँ कि रात को सोते समय जो है उसके बगल में उसको फैमिली हार्मनी रख के मैं सो जाता हूँ. तो सुबह उठ के मूड देखना पड़ता है कि जो है सुबह अगर समझिए कि मूड अच्छा है मतलब हमारी जिंदगी पूरी शाम तक बढ़िया रहेगी. राइट. तो कुछ शर्माने वाली बात कुछ नहीं है, ये घर घर की कहानी है. कन्नड़ದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮನೆ ದೋಸೆ ತೂತಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. Right, all the dosas in the house there are holes, so it's called dosa. Right. But how you fill that holes is more important. So what I got the transformation is that then to whatever she used to get pain in the back, neck and all, so she always said नहीं हो तुम कर लेना, तुम लगा लेना. तो फिर मैंने बोला ठीक है चलो. So then I came to know what words can't manifest or tell or heal someone, it can be done with healing. This is what the confidence I have got in last 3 to 6 months. And now he says if he gets an egg, अरे वो लगाना यार मुझे इतना तकलीफ हो रहा है. तो मैंने बोला इंजेक्शन है, स्प्रे है, वो ले लीजिए, ये तो वैसे भी आपके काम का तो है नहीं. नहीं अभी तुरंत लगाओ मुझे. So then तुरंत again now I have taught them.
Thank you Dr. Shivraj.
This is what programs. And regarding the last one, what I wanted to say is that when we are using this vagus harmony, what I saw just So last 1 minute, madam. Is it okay? Last 1
Yes,
minute.
yes, yes,
Then,
yes.
so यहाँ पर क्या हुआ? Since 6 months, I was not able to convince the physiotherapy HOD in my hospital कि भाई ये भी आपके IFT 10 से भी 10 गुना काम करता है और तुरंत काम करता है. तो बाय गॉड्स ग्रेस मैं एक्चुअली मेरे कोच प्रोग्राम है, मेरे पास रोज 5 से 10 कोच प्रोग्राम रहते हैं, तो मैं जो कंटिन्यूसली लगाता हूँ 27 एंड 38. तो फैमिली हार्मनी, प्रोफेशनल हार्मनी, और कोई मेरी बात नहीं मान रहा है उसका नाम डाल के वो मेरे से बहुत बढ़िया से मेरी बात सुन रहा है और वो सब हर चीज के लिए जी हुजूर बोल रहा है. एंड इट्स हैपनिंग. आई डोंट नो, इट मे बी प्लेसिबो, इट मे बी एनीथिंग, बिकॉज आई बिलीव इन क्वांटम हीलिंग. तो ये लास्ट चीज जो मैं शेयर करना चाहता हूँ. तो एक दिन अरे सर मुझे बहुत दर्द हो रहा है सर, मैं कुछ काम नहीं कर सकती, मुझे लीव दो. मैंने बोला लीव पे कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, आप आज दिन आया है. तो मैंने इमीडिएटली आई टुक मैगिली, I gave for the lower what was that, low back harmony. तो उसको लगाया, फिर बाद में आई स्ट्रैप मतलब स्ट्रिप डाला उसको, और उधर जो स्पाइन के लिए जो आवश्यक है वो वाला लगाया और बोला 45-50 मिनट चुप सो जाना बस. राइट. एंड वो पता नहीं कभी उसके नजदीक नहीं आती थी. उस दिन वो सो गई एंड वो बोलती कि सर मुझे लग रहा है ये काम करता है. हाँ नहीं मैं नहीं बोलूंगा, तुम्हें बोलना है. एंड दैट वाज द डे कि भाई. So this was the recent thing which I wanted to tell. And again, once
Thank
again,
you. Thank you.
Thank you. Once again, we'll meet with more testimonies.
Thank you, Dr. Shivraj Patil ji. Thank you so much. You are just amazing. Oh my God, कहाँ छुपे थे आप? आप तो छुपे रुस्तम हो. I wish every doctor could do what you are doing, and every doctor can learn from you. Thank you so much for using healing in such a beautiful way. Let's bless Dr. Shivraj. Such an honor and privilege to have him in the Healy family. Let's bless him that he may reach more and more people out with uplifting their health with Healy and with this alternative therapy so beautifully, which he's been using for his family, for his each and every person in his life which experience healing powers. May God give him more of joy, more of abundance, more of wealth, more of love. May every management person listen to him. May every patience of him listen to him. May he has all the growth and happiness and love what he deserves. Thank you so much for being part of Healing. Yes, go for it, dear. Padma ji.
Hello. Hi, everyone. My name is Padma. I am working in finance department as a senior manager. I'm working in a finance company. And I got introduced to Healy through Rajendra ji, Pankaj ji, and Upma ji. And initially I was a bit skeptical, but then after I took it, like they told me that in 15 days, if you do not find any benefit, you can return it. So based on that, I took the device, and the problem I used to face was sleep issues. I was not getting enough sleep, like because I work and sometimes due to stress and all, I never used to sleep properly. But then during the first 15 days itself, I noticed that there's a lot of change in my energy levels and my sleep pattern. I was getting good sleep, and I noticed a lot of change in myself. And I also experienced this heel pain after my younger son was born. From that time, like I think from 5 years, I have this nagging heel pain. Early in the morning, I used to have it for around almost 30 minutes to 1 hour, and after that, it used to slowly subside. But then I use this local stimulation programs. I use the Sizzler salt programs for almost 1 week, 10 days, and really like a magic, the pain vanished. So this is for me. And like my mom, she has some gastric problem, acidity problem, and whenever she gets that, she uses the programs, and without using any medicine, she is able to, heal herself with all these programs. And for the kids, actually, now, like whenever they have these seasonal infections, fever, cold, I use these programs like defense shiver programs, and they actually come. My younger son, whenever he feels uncomfortable, he comes and tells me, put me shiver program. Like he comes and asks me for Healy device, and he will ask me to run the programs. So it is like I'm not like from the last 4 months, from the time this device came to my hand, I am not using antibiotics. Otherwise, earlier, like I think every month I used to visit a doctor for my younger son, but now I'm not doing it from the last 4 months. So this is really working like a magic for me. And my brother, he's in Canada. So once he got admitted in hospital due to some infection, and he was like doctor started doing all the tests to test all his organs, and my mom, everyone, we were like in panic that time. And I ran this all from Blue app. I took his vibration and ran all the programs for 24 hours. And like to our surprise, he was perfectly fine. And the immediate next day, we were not even able to imagine that he had problem the previous day. So like whenever he has any problem, he will call me and he'll ask me to run the programs for him. So these are some of the testimonials. Whenever I have headache, like all other people told, whenever I have headache, I use this Healy program. I use the relax program whenever I want to relax, and my kids use these learning programs whenever they have any exams. So these are a few testimonials I've shared, but there are many, many things. And thank you, Rajender ji, Pankaj ji, Upma ji, for getting this device to me. And Upma ji, like whenever I call her, like I always ask her which program do I use. Recently, I had some eye infection, and I asked her which programs to run, how to do it, and she suggested me. And within 2 days, I did not use any antibiotic eye drops or anything, but within 2 days, my infection got completely healed. I used Eye Harmony program 3 to 4 times in a day. So these are all the miracles with this device. Yeah. And my suggestion to everyone is that everybody should have this device. It works like a magic, and it really, really works. Everyone should have this. Yeah. Thank you so
Awesome.
much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much, Padmaji. Beautifully you shared. Thank you so much for being there and coming here. Let's bless Padmaji to have a beautiful life. More and more miracles, more and more blessing coming her way. Completely unimagined, beyond boundaries. Let every wish of hers, every desire of hers, her family members may have the utmost health, bliss, joy, abundance flowing in through Healy. Thank you so much for being part of it. Okay, we have Mahi. Go for it, sweetheart. 1 second. आप अपना ऐसे कर सकते हो मोबाइल हॉरिजॉन्टल.
अब ठीक है मैम.
या परफेक्ट.
जय श्री कृष्णा सभी को. मेरा नाम माही है, मैं इंदौर से हूँ. और सबसे पहले मैं अपने ईश्वर को और विकास सर को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करना चाहती हूँ, जिन्होंने मुझे हीली से मिलवाया है. मैं हीली को 1 साल से जानती हूँ, बट अभी मैं इसको 1 महीने से यूज कर रही हूँ. और मुझे सीवियर एंजाइटी है पिछले 5 ईयर्स से. और मैंने एंजाइटी की मेडिसिन्स ली, और उस मेडिसिन्स के मुझे साइड इफेक्ट्स हुए, और उसकी वजह से मुझे काफ़ी लेथार्जिक फील होता था, और भी बहुत सारे साइड इफेक्ट्स हुए. फिर मैंने उसको काउंसलिंग पे शिफ्ट किया. काउंसलिंग से मुझे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ रहा था. मुझे लग रहा था कि मुझे फिर से मेडिसिन पे शिफ्ट होना पड़ेगा, और मैं वही सोच के बड़ा डर रही थी. और थैंक्स टू हीली, हीली मेरी लाइफ में आया, मैंने हीली यूज़ किया, और सिर्फ 1 डे में सबसे पहला इम्प्रूवमेंट ये हुआ कि मुझे बहुत अच्छी स्लीप, नींद आई, जो कि मुझे नींद आती नहीं थी, क्योंकि मुझे पूरे दिन में 5 टाइम्स पैनिक अटैक्स आते थे, और 15 मिनट्स तक वो पैनिक अटैक्स मुझे बने रहते थे. और जब मैंने हीली यूज़ किया, फर्स्ट डे मैं बहुत अच्छी नींद आई मुझे. और अभी इस 1 महीने में ये हुआ है कि मेरे पैनिक अटैक्स 1 टाइम्स आता, 2 से 3 मिनट्स में चले जाता है. और मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस जो बहुत लो हो गया था, अब वो मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस भी मेरा बढ़ गया है, बूस्ट हो रहा है. और सबसे अच्छी बात ये है कि हीली तो सपोर्टिंग है ही, हीली कम्युनिटी भी बहुत सपोर्टिंग है. थैंक यू सभी को. थैंक यू.
Oh, I was not there. Okay, I am talking. Thank you, Mahi. Thank you so much for coming and sharing, sweetheart. Let's bless Mahi for having a beautiful life. May she have more of growth in her life, to her child, to her daughters. May she have more and more wealth flowing in. Her healing journey, her career could grow in Healy, and she could have a beautiful miracles and blessings flowing in. More of joy, more of wealth, more of money, more of abundance flowing in through Healy. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, so who is going first? Zinia or Umesh?
I'll go.
Go for it, dear.
Hi, everyone. A very good evening. Now, Healy is something I've been using for a year now, and I've been using a basic one, and I have explored it to the maximum. Now, I have realized that Healy has not only helped me mentally but also physically. I have initially come and given a testimony for my cirrhosis. I don't have it anymore by God's grace. Everything is gone. And but apart from that, I want to talk about more about how it has helped me for my mental health, because sometimes being you get very overworked, overstimulated, and sometimes you just have to calm yourself. And it has I run a program and it calms me so much. So one like at the beginning of the week, I was very overstimulated. I did not know what to do, how to do. A lot was going on. I ran 2, 3 programs, and I was so calm that I achieved something I couldn't achieve in a month. I achieved in that 1 week. So it was a very big thing for me. Apart from that, I had to walk a lot and I had these sores all over my leg, and I couldn't walk without limping. I have the band one, so uh, and I normally you run 3 programs. That day I ran 4 programs, and I was cured. Next day again I was up and running and doing events and everything possible. And it was a miracle. I mean, it was truly a miracle, but it was so amazing. And an instance is just yesterday, I had very bad sudden seizure pains in my left hand, and I was convinced I'm having a heart attack. It was that bad pain, but I Yvonne helped me run a program, and I think after that, I can't even think about the pain I had. I didn't even know what kind of pain I had. It just vanished. So from convincing that you're dying to like be absolutely fine is amazing. So Healy is just something I believe in truly, and I'm really grateful to Yvonne, Vikas, to have introduced this into my life. And I'm talking about the basic plan. If you have something, you can explore this Healy to the maximum. It is amazing. I keep playing with programs. I keep doing everything up and down with it, and I never know what works for me. And it is amazing, not only physically, mentally, everything. And another thing about me is I'm not being I have something called Johnson syndrome, which I cannot take medicines. I cannot pop medicines very easily. तो जब मैं बीमार पड़ती हूँ, मेरे से ज्यादा डॉक्टर को टेंशन होता है कि what medicine should we give her. But now I know that I don't have to bother with that. I run my Healy programs, and I don't even need to go to the doctor. I'm just fine at home itself. It's like a mini doctor, and I'm very grateful for it. Thank you so much.
Superb. Thank you, Jeannie. Thank you so much. Genia. Did I pronounce it right? Genia. Awesome. I met you in Dubai, right? Yvonne's lady.
Yes.
Fantastic. Awesome. Very nice to see you here. All of you guys, let's bless Zinia with such a beautiful life coming in through Healy, the way she's using, the way the miracles floating in, the way the connection with Healy, which she could actually sense it every day. May she have more and more joy, more and more love flowing in her life, more and more goodness of health flowing in her life, and she could see blessings and miracles flowing in beyond boundaries. More of wealth, more of money, more of abundance flowing to you through Healy. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yes, Umesh ji. Thank you for waiting.
गुड इवनिंग एवरीबॉडी। मैं बेलगाम से उमेश बात कर रहा हूँ। पहला मैं थैंक्स बोलूँगा मेरा भाई डॉक्टर जगीश शर्मा, उन्होंने मुझे Healy गिफ्ट किया है। पहले मैं इसको वो लास्ट ईयर 2024 अगस्त से यूज कर रहे, मैं दिसंबर 31 से यूज करना ये किया। पहले मैं बिलीव नहीं करता था कैसे मशीन है क्या है, और उठ के चलाया जाता था, कुछ भी बोले तो उठ के जाता था। तो मैंने जनवरी 1 से इसको यूज किया, और लेटर में क्या होने लगा, ठीक से यूज नहीं कर पाया। वो बोलते थे कंप्यूटर सिखाता है वगैरह है, तुम यूज करो। पहले मुझे कुछ भी पता नहीं था व्हाट इज क्या है ये मशीन, क्या है, क्या वर्क करता है, किस पे वर्क करता है, कुछ भी मालूम नहीं था। एक बार मैंने ऐसे ही सतीश बाबू सोना सर घर गए, वहाँ पे राजेश्वरी मैडम ने कुछ प्रोग्राम गोल्ड साइकिल वगैरह और प्रॉस्पेरिटी मैग हिली वगैरह बोला। उस टाइम और एक भाई है उनका मैंने मैग हिली वगैरह सभी लेके गया था। सो उस टाइम मैंने जनवरी एंड को 3 दिन यूज किया मैग हिली और ये, क्योंकि पहले मैं एज ए डोंकी वर्क करता था। मतलब क्या है, मॉर्निंग 8 से रात को 10-11 बजे तक, क्योंकि मैं कंप्यूटर से सर्विस करता हूँ, सीसी कैमरा इंस्टॉलेशन और टीचिंग वगैरह वगैरह सो करता रहा। क्योंकि मंथली 2 लाख रुपीज मुझे अर्न करना था, ईएमआई वगैरह रिसेंटली घर बांधा था, तो इस वजह से मुझे टेंशन रहता था, कमाना है और ईएमआई भरना है, और कुछ फैमिली का टाइम नहीं, कुछ एंजॉयमेंट नहीं, कुछ इसी में ट्रस्ट में रहता था। ऑलवेज वर्क वर्क वर्क। सडनली क्या हुआ, जनवरी एंड को मेरे को एक गवर्नमेंट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट आ गया। सो उसमें 40 लोगों को पढ़ाना है, 3.5 लाख रुपए इस गवर्नमेंट से आ गया। मैंने कुछ अप्लाई नहीं किया, क्या भी कैसे आया पता नहीं। तो मैंने सोचा ये मैंने कुछ अप्लाई भी नहीं किया, क्या आ गया। तो मैंने सोचा मैं के लिए मैंने 3 दिन से रन किया है, उसके थ्रू आया क्या उन्होंने। मैं कुछ पहले इसमें समझा नहीं, बाद में मैं समझ गया इसके थ्रू ही हुआ है। तो उन्होंने मुझे ही ऑर्डर आ गया, तो मुझे सिखाना पड़ा। विद इन मंथ मुझे 3.5 लाख आ गए। तो मैंने उसको ईएमआई भरने में ये किया और इजीली यूज करना शुरू कर दिया। सिस्टमेटिक वर्क हो गया। पहले मैं एक के काम के पीछे एक जाता रहता था, टाइम ही रहने देता था। फिर मैंने रियलाइज किया कितना क्या है वर्क करना है, और इजीली मैंने आलस का अंजाम और औरा और प्रॉस्पेरिटी यही 1-2 महीने तक वही यूज किया। उसके बाद मैं उसके बारे में थोड़ा थोड़ा ब्लॉकेजेस हट गए, मेरे को रिलैक्स होने लगा, पीस ऑफ माइंड सोचने लगा। उसके बाद मैंने शिवयोगी सर का हुबली जाके एक सेशन अटेंड किया। वहाँ पे चक्रास क्या है सब कुछ मुझे वहाँ पे थोड़ा नॉलेज आ गया। उसके बाद मैं जूम मीटिंग वगैरह अटेंड करने लगा। उसके बाद पहला मैंने इसको मेरे पे अप्लाई हो गया, तो मैंने कैसे बोलूँगा, एक क्या पता नहीं, एक सर है उधर मैं काम से गया था, उनका कुत्ता बीमार था। सो वो ऑलमोस्ट ऑल बहुत बीमार था। तो मैंने बोला ये एक डिवाइस है, ये कुत्ते या कुछ भी प्राणी सभी पे वर्क करता है। मैंने फोटो किया, डिस्टेंस सीलिंग ट्राई किया हमने। उसके बाद सतीश बाबू और जाके उनके कुत्ते को जो भी है दिया। और एक दिन हम डिस्टेंस सीलिंग में उतना ठीक से कर नहीं पाते थे, फिर भी हमने ट्राई किया। उसके बाद नेक्स्ट डे हमने क्या किया, उनको डिवाइस दी। उन्होंने बोला डिवाइस हम उनको दे दिया, तो विद इन 3-4 डेज में कुत्ता आराम हो गया। और उसके बाद फिर लेके आए, फिर बीमार पड़ गया। फिर हम उन्होंने वेरी नेक्स्ट डे आके हमारा डिवाइस लेके गए, हमें कुत्ता आराम होने तक ये कीजिए, हम पैसे का अरेंज कर रहे हैं पूरा। उन्होंने 8 दिन यूज किया, पूरा आराम हो गया कुत्ता। उसके बाद उन्होंने बंडल फर्स्ट ले लिया 3,83,000 का। उसके बाद सब कुछ बढ़ता गया, और बहुत मैंने अभी तक 20 लोगों को हेल्प किया है, और मैं खुद यूज कर रहा हूँ। अभी सभी हैप्पी है। थैंक यू फॉर हिली फैमिली।
थैंक यू उमेश जी, थैंक यू सो मच इतनी अच्छी तरह यूज करने के लिए, एंड थैंक यू उस पेट को ठीक करने के लिए। दैट इज द ब्यूटीफुल थिंग विच यू हैव डन, एंड थैंक यू शिवयोगी जी। लेट्स ब्लेस उमेश जी for such a beautiful way where he has come and shared. May he have all the joy and love and wisdom which he is looking out in his life, and he could have more and more healing powers, touch people's life through healing. Thank you so much for being part of healing. Thank you, Umesh ji. Pavitra, thank you so much, dear, waiting. The last but the best. Going for it, Pavitra.
Hi everyone, happy evening and happy night. And I should be grateful for Leena and Preeti for introducing me Healy in my life. I got Healy in April 2024. Before that, I was having sugar and I was following food diet and all. So sugar was trying to stabilize, but I'm having some emotional issues. I was manifesting something it should come in my life. Okay. Then Preeti came in my life. I got Healy for me in April. I started using Healy along with my food diet, yoga, gym and all. In 2024 August, HB1C came for 5.6 and I was able to clear glucose tolerance test, which will be done for diabetic people. So I would definitely suggest all of you people to go for this Healy and it will make miracle in life. For this, I was having leg pain, which is called as neuropathic, they will tell. For all the diabetic people will have a sensitiveness in the food once we get sugar. So I was not able to identify the which program should run. I was running all Healy program all this 1.5 year. Bulk of the moment came for me and I started running digital nutrition program through Blue app for distance healing. I did continuously for 3 days. You don't believe 80% of my pain has been reduced. So that is a most miracle thing because I stopped supplements also. It showed me B complex, vitamin B complex and sensitivity. I ran it for 3 days. It is reduced to 80% now. Thank you everyone for introducing me Healy in my life.